What's up guys, it's Dot back with another video for you, and today we're actually going to be taking a look at probably what is my favorite mouse of all time, the Logitech G602. Now starting out with unboxing this thing, it's pretty simple. You open it up, you're greeted with the mouse, receiver, and of course you have your warranty and quick start information. Pretty simple, it's only 40 bucks. I don't expect really much more than this for a product at this price point. Let's keep it pushing. Now some of the features on this mouse are, of course it's a wireless mouse, but you might be thinking, well, how can a wireless mouse be a gaming mouse? Well, the reason is because the latency is very low, as well as it has an adjustable DPI of all the way down to 250, all the way up to 2,500. So it's really nice if you want to get a slow drag, or if you want to move your or if you want to move your mouse like a madman and just demolish everybody. That's fine too. Now, as far as the battery life goes, well, it's already got 2 Duracell batteries pre-installed, and I've had this mouse for about 6 months, and I haven't had to change the batteries yet. So, yeah, that's really all I can say about the battery life is it lasts long. I'm waiting for them to die, and there's no documentation on how long the battery life is because, of course, that depends on the batteries that you put in. So, yeah. Now, as far as durability goes for this product, it says that it's got a 20 million click lifespan on both the right and the left mouse buttons. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome. I mean, I don't know how long that is, but also under durability, it says 250 kilometers. Don't even know what that means. But what's cool about the responsiveness of this mouse is it's got a USB data format of 16 bits, and the USB report rate is up to 500. So that means, again, with the latency, it's really almost a non-issue. It's just, the latency just isn't there. Now, are professional gamers using this mouse in order to, win competitions? Probably not, but are any of you watching professional gamers? Are any of the people you're playing professional gamers? Be real. Now, one of the really cool features about this mouse is that if you are gaming and you're playing, like, say, a MOBA or something like that, or any game where you need to have quick access to things, or quick access to a lot of things, then it's got 8 programmable macro buttons. It's got 8 programmable macro buttons that you can use in order to, excel at your game. But the thing I really appreciate about this mouse is it's not just marketed towards gamers. It has a really nice, sleek look. In fact, it also has a performance mode that you can adjust if you want to game. But if you don't want to game, it's got an eco mode that will increase the battery life. So it's a really well thought out design from Logitech that I think really everyone can appreciate, especially for a mouse that's so good for 40 bucks. Now, I briefly touched on the design, but Logitech really gets massive points because this is a beautiful looking mouse, and it also feels really good to hold in your hand. It's got this extended thumb grip part so you can hold it, and I don't know if it's just the size of my hand, but for me it is extremely comfortable. And then it also has a nice textured feel everywhere, so you know exactly where the placement of your hand is because there's so many different textures on this mouse. It really does feel premium. Another cool feature that I don't see nearly enough people talk about is if you are taking this mouse on the go, on the bottom there's a little compartment right next to the battery for your dongle or your receiver, so you can take this mouse on the go. Say you have a Surface or you have any kind of computer and you want a mouse to go with you, this mouse is perfect because it's portable and it's wireless, so it has a nice clean look even if you're not at home. Okay, so as far as negatives go, it's a really good mouse. Okay, I gotta come up with one for you guys. I guess since the power switch is located on the bottom, you forget to turn it off, but the battery life really makes up for that. If it was located somewhere else, it'd be nice. I really do try to give you guys the positive with the negative, but this is really just, it's a solid mouse. So if you've got an extra 40 bucks laying around and you don't have, that great of a mouse, I would honestly say invest in this. Whether you're a gamer or not, it's a really good mouse. I mean, it's pretty much... Anyways, it's been Dapper Doppio. Thanks for watching.